Okay, under our original oak, we have our insulayment underlayment, which is 100% recycled filaments made in the USA. Incredible acoustic properties and soft underfoot. You can actually feel it soft underfoot. And on this side, we have our Magnum directly installed over the concrete. And now we're just going to show you the difference in the sound between having a underlayment under it and no underlayment. As you can hear, it gives you a hollow effect, and no insulayment gives you more of a solid effect. But when you're doing a high set, top story, unit complex, and you're chasing acoustic reduction, then insulayment and quietwalk plus are extremely good for reduction, extremely good, and it gives you that nice pleasant feel of soft underfoot. You can actually feel it soft under your feet.